I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials: a handheld magnifier and steady light. First, sit with good posture and set your reading surface into bright, even light. Now, hold the object at about 25 to 40 centimeters and bring the magnifier between your eye and the object. Move only the magnifier first. Once you find the sharpest focus, keep your head still and adjust distance slowly. This gives you a clear baseline and prevents eye strain as you begin magnifying small details. Once you have a baseline, refine focus by slowly moving the magnifier closer or farther until the image snaps into clarity. You should use 2 hands or a small stand to steady the lens. This reduces wobble and makes fine details visible. Tilt the magnifier slightly to cut reflections from glossy surfaces and switch to higher magnification only when you need more detail. Higher power narrows the field. Make sure to pause and recenter the area of interest so you don't lose context. To finish, slowly scan outward from the focus spot to regain surrounding detail and confirm what you saw. If the image doubles or jitters, stop. Clean the lens with a soft cloth and reposition the magnifier so your eye aligns with the optical center. If blur persists, reduce magnification or increase working distance slightly. That often restores a clear image. Finally, make sure lighting and angle remain constant. Those 2 factors are the most common causes when things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.